Sunday, September 28th, 2025. Astro Excel sheet for the coming week. Green line above zero in bullish territory for the bulk of the week. Coming into Sunday evening here, we've got some downside pressure to 4 a.m. Monday, pushing up through Tuesday, peaking out around 1800 on the green line. Then we're pushing down into the early morning between 6 and 8 a.m. We're relatively flat through the session, and then we move up at 1700, where we hit a high about the plus 17, 18 area from, say, 10 a.m. all the way through into Friday morning at about 5 a.m. and then we have downside pressure through the rest of the session to the close on Friday. The early part of the week, the blue line is inside the minus 10s. We get a push up near plus 10 here at 11 a.m. on Monday. And then our next push, we get another near push at 1800 here, and then we break out and get down to the minus 15 area for a midnight spike on the 1st. The next important one is not until 1900 on the 1st. Then we've got a 4 a.m. spike on the 2nd. We get a double spike high here on the 2nd at 10 and 1600. We catch below the minus 10 line at 2200, and then we're inside Friday. We come close here at 10 a.m. Friday morning. So that's what the green line, blue line looks like for the coming week.